Hi, everyone. On Windows 11, you have multiple ways to delete a partition, and in this guide, you will learn how. A partition describes the beginning and end of space on the drive that is formatted and configured with a file system, and a drive letter to store files. Typically, a hard drive can have multiple partitions that will appear in the system as different drives. If you have to change the file system, fix file corruption problems, or you have to extend a partition, you have multiple ways to delete one or multiple partitions on Windows 11 through the Settings app, Computer Management, Command Prompt, and even with PowerShell. This guide will teach you the steps to delete a drive partition on Windows 11. Use these steps. First, open Settings on Windows 11 and click on Storage. Next, under the Storage Management section, click on Advanced Storage Settings. Next, click the Disks and Volumes setting. Next, select the drive partition and click the Properties button. Next, under the Format section, click the Delete button. Once you complete the steps, the partition and data will be deleted from the drive.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.